Drowning in WhatsApp messages? Let's turn that chaos into calm by connecting your WhatsApp business account to Wati. In this video, we'll walk you through connecting your WhatsApp business account with Wati, unlocking a world of efficient customer support and automated messaging. First, log into your Wati account, then navigate to the Channels section. Usually found on the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard, click on it. On the Channels page, you'll see a prominent button labeled Connect to WhatsApp or something similar. Click on that button to begin the connection process. A pop-up window will appear with instructions and a QR code. This QR code is what you'll use to link your WhatsApp business account. Now, open your WhatsApp business app on your phone. Go to Settings, then Link Devices. Tap on Link a device. Your camera will activate, ready to scan the QR code from Wati. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on the Wati dashboard. Ensure the entire code is within the frame for successful scanning. Once the QR code is scanned, your WhatsApp business account will automatically connect to Wati. You'll see confirmation on both your phone and the Wati dashboard. Congratulations! Your WhatsApp business account is now connected to Wati. Explore Wati's features, such as automated replies, team inbox, and broadcast messaging, to supercharge your customer communication. Start connecting today and transform your WhatsApp communication with Wati. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.